Former Justice Minister Alan Shatter has failed in a bid to recover legal costs following a successful tax case in the United States. John Burns reports that Mr Shatter and his wife Carol had won a refund from the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, amounting to more than $143,000 or €123,000, including interest, after money was withheld during the sale of a Florida property. The dispute arose after the couple sold a house in Naples in April 2022 for $825,000. Under US law, a portion of the proceeds was automatically deducted because they are classed as non-resident taxpayers. Although the IRS did accept the Shatters were entitled to a refund, a court in Fort Myers in Florida has now refused their application to recover just over $21,000 in legal fees. Judge Nicholas Mizell ruled that the Shatters did not meet key conditions required under US law. He said they failed to prove that each of them had a net worth below $2 million at the time that the case was filed, a threshold required to qualify for costs reimbursement. The judge also found that the US government had not acted unreasonably in handling the case, noting that the IRS processed the refund within 3 months of the court's final judgment. In his ruling, Judge Mizell suggested the tax authorities acted more promptly than the Shatters themselves in progressing the claim. Contacted for comment, Mr Shatter declined, saying, "I am not conducting an interview on this, and I am not interested in engaging in any of this." Up until 2016, Mr Shatter had listed 4 properties in Florida on the Dáil's Register of Interests, including a house at Wilfredo Court in Naples, valued at just under $1 million, and a villa in Marco Island, which the couple bought in 2004 with a price tag of $723,000.